Wow, I've said it before and I've said it again, but this NBA offseason keeps getting crazier. Last time I talked to you, that was probably the Paul George trade this weekend. And I probably said that was going to be the last time I talked about the offseason, because, I mean, everything was already done. Nope. Russell Westbrook gets freaking traded to Houston for Chris Paul and a bunch of draft stuff, and wow. That is amazing. Basketball is absolutely incredible. I don't like all the roster movement. I'll be 100% honest with you. I'm not a huge fan of it. I like teams to stick together. I like to cheer for a team, watch them grow, watch them fail, watch them succeed, whatever the case may be. But this is like just the entertainment value of the offseason has been off the charts. OKC gets more draft picks. They get a washed up Chris Paul. Houston gets Russell Westbrook, and we'll see how that coexists with James. It's going to be weird. It's going to be weird. I just wanted to touch on that. Let me know what you think of that trade down in the comment section below, because that is incredible. Okay, guys, so today is a very, very exciting day in Winnipeg for me. We are getting a brand new sneaker store opening. We're getting an Adidas outlet that is opening right across the hallway from the Nike outlet at the outlet mall here in Winnipeg. Now, the Nike outlet is pretty good. I'm just not allowed to film in there because the manager doesn't want me to film in there. But the Adidas outlet, I think we should be good, and I'm very excited. It's the grand opening. They're probably gonna have some special shoes. Maybe they have some special deals. Maybe they like give away gift cards at the door. I don't know what the case may be. I honestly have no idea what's happening. I found out that it was opening up a few days ago, and I knew I had to be here for the grand opening. So the store opens up in exactly 7 minutes. I don't know if there's going to be a line. I don't know if like people are very excited for this. I don't think so. I haven't heard much buzz about this particular Adidas store opening, except I'm very excited. I'm excited for any new store that comes out or opens up. I don't know what they're going to have. Hopefully they have some good stuff. Enough of me rambling though. Let's get in there and see, like, fingers crossed, maybe they have like, I don't, like, just let's hope they have something good. I have no expectations. Let's just hope they have something good. Okay, so yeah, apparently people were sort of excited about, there's like a line of like 40, 50 people to get in the store. We could be waiting here a while. So this is when the security guard of the mall came up to me and signaled me out. I wasn't filming, my camera was sitting at my side, and said, "Sorry dude, there's no filming in here, just so you know." And I said, "Oh, that's completely fine. I understand that, but there's someone right in front of you filming it on their Snapchat or Instagram story. Could you also tell them?" Because I always try and make that a point of contention, is why are they allowed to film, but I'm not allowed to film just because my camera's a little bit bigger than theirs. And he said, "Oh, well, that's not filming, that's just social media." And yeah, I've had this argument with security guards before. Anyway, I went into the store. There's really nothing in the store, as you guys can see. I mean, there's some shoes. There's really nothing too crazy. They had a pair of Adidas rivalries, which was all right. But I mean, I stood in line for like 45 minutes to get into this Adidas outlet, and it was really kind of terrible. Okay, this is extremely disappointing. This might be like the worst. The old Adidas outlet, I should say, was terrible. I literally think they just took the same stock from our old Adidas outlet and put it in this Adidas outlet, because it really is not good. Okay, so that officially sucked a lot. Like that, it's just a travesty of a grand opening. I walked into Nike, and the guys at Nike were asking me, "Okay, how is it? How bad is it? Is there any shoes? Is it good?" And I'm like, you guys do not need to worry about losing a single customer. That is so disappointing. I mean, I was expecting that to be like a cool store that would compete with Nike and actually have good stuff that I could buy and show you guys. And instead, I mean, those Adidas rivalries were sort of a little bit cool, a bit. Yeah, so there's nothing at Adidas, but I did pick up a few things from Nike. They had 40% off pretty much the entire store. I don't know if that was to combat the grand opening at Adidas or what the deal was, except there were some freaking amazing deals at Nike. Okay, so I'm also going to pick up a couple pairs of Adidas shoes today. I'm just boosting over to wherever I'm supposed to meet this guy. 2 pairs of Yeezys, since we couldn't pick up any Adidas sneakers at the actual Adidas store. at least we get something today. I'll get back to you guys when I get home with like, I mean, I have shoes from Nike and these. So let's start with the stuff that I got from Nike. I got, there's 2 more bags in the car. I didn't have hands to carry these things. I literally just got 10 pairs of the exact same shoe because they were an amazing deal. Maybe I actually even got 11. And then I got one other shoe. We'll look at the one unique shoe first. It is a pair of Nikes, obviously from Nike, and it is a Nike Air VaporMax Flyknit 2. These were on stupid sale. Like these were like $72 or something like that, and retail is $170, I believe. So I mean, this is a really cool colorway. It's not like quite as bright as my hoodie, but it's definitely a pinky red. I can't really tell whether it's more pink or more red, but it's really bright. I can tell you that. Orange heel cup, then blue air bubble. It's a really cool pair of shoes, and it was like $72 because almost everything was marked down 40%. I don't know why. I'm assuming it's to compete with the Adidas grand opening week that's having a bunch of sales, but Nike actually has good shoes, unlike Adidas, because that outlet sucked. Now moving on from this guy to the one that I bought 10 or 11 pairs of. I'll have to double check the receipts and see how much I actually, or how many pairs I actually got. But these are the ones that I got lots of pairs of. I mean, see, you have more pairs in the bag, you have more pairs in this bag, I have more pairs in the car. I bought 10 or 11 pairs of these simply for the fact that before tax, these things were $69. Yeah, $69. Let's look at the tag. Air Foamposite 1 for $69 US plus tax is the best price you will ever find. So I bought as many pairs as I felt was reasonable. And they are the navy blue and gum bottom colorway. I mean, this is a sick colorway as it is, but for $69, you can't beat that. These are going for around 120, 110 online, depending on the size. So this is, I mean, this is an instant purchase in my mind. Now, since I got so many pairs of them, you guys freaking crushed it on last video. You guys got almost 3,000 likes on last video, and I gave away a pair of Air Jordan 1s because of that. On this video, if we can get 3,000 likes, I'm gonna choose someone from the comment section to give away a pair of these. I have pretty much every size, so whatever size you want, just comment as many times as you want and make sure you hit that like button. If we hit 3,000 likes, I'll give these bad boys away to one of you beautiful people because I might as well share the love. And if you guys want to follow me on Instagram at Tom Stefaniak, we do a lot of giveaways there as well. But yeah, these are the shoes that I picked up from the Nike outlet while I was there checking out Adidas. And of course, Adidas had nothing at all. Now let's get on to the other shoes that I bought. So these are the two, whoa, don't want to sit on that. These are the two Yeezys that I bought from the guy locally. Great price, great price. I got these for a total of $880 Canadian total. They retail for 720 Canadian dollars total. Is that correct? I got them for, or maybe they retail for 780, or I don't know. Yeah, they retail for 780 total. I got them for 880. I paid 50 bucks over retail each, I think. Now I'm forgetting what I paid for these. No, they retail for 680 total, and I paid $100 over retail each, Canadian, which is like $75 over retail in the States. Moral of the story is these were a great price. They're both the same shoe, so we won't worry too much about pulling both of them out. I mean, okay, might as well pull both of them out. I just need to make sure I put these back in the right boxes. Here we go. They're just two pairs of zebras. The guy, I don't know why he was selling them for so cheap. I don't understand this about Winnipeg, but I mean, I've talked to you guys about this before. You can get stupid good deals on shoes on just local groups and people messaging you and stuff like that. Like this guy just messaged me, asked if I wanted to buy them. I've bought a bunch of stuff from him in the past, so I mean, they're 100% legit. Not gonna be giving these away. These are gonna be selling for a better price than what I paid for, because these go for significantly more than $440 Canadian per. I think they go for like $520, $540, maybe even you can get $560, depending on the size. I got a size 9.5 and a size 10. I don't know why he had them or why he wanted to sell them or anything like that, but I know that it was a good price and I know that I wanted to pick them up. So that being said, that is everything that I bought today. I went to the Adidas outlet for a grand opening. Didn't buy a single pair of shoes there, except still ended up spending well over $1,000, actually almost $2,000 on shoes. yeah, that is just a day in the life. I mean, they're all great things to flip. I'm not keeping any of them except for the pair that I'm going to be giving away to you guys. So make sure to comment, hit that like button. Let's see if we can hit 3,000 likes. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Tom Stefaniak. Follow me on Twitter at Tom Stefaniak as well. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with a brand freaking new video. So until then, peace.